Everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing fantastically well. So it's time of the week for me to reflect, look back at what I've actually managed to achieve this week, and was it good or bad, and how I can actually look forward to next week and make some better improvements. So I didn't trade at all this week, just was not feeling it whatsoever. Got up on Monday to do my admin day, and I just really didn't feel great. It was probably the sort of hangover from the week before where I was feeling a bit ill, and I really had that sort of brain fog, that sort of fuzziness behind the eyes where I just didn't really feel like being in front of the computer screen. So I didn't actually do anything on Monday, and I made a decision not to trade at all that week. Just get out of the house and do something completely different. Now, I treat trading as a job and as a business. Now, in anything in life with a job, sometimes you enjoy it and sometimes you don't. There's days where you wake up in the morning and think, fantastic, I'm really looking forward to my job. I've got lots of things to do, really excited about projects or just things in general. And there are other times in the morning where you just get up and you do not want to do the daily commute, the hassle of actually even getting out of bed and going into work. And this for me was one of those weeks where I didn't want to actually trade. I just didn't want to actually go out and do my job. Now, ultimately, part of my trading rules are such that I don't trade when I'm not feeling like it. And also try and protect as much capital as possible. I know if I'm not feeling it and I'm not actually in the mood for it, chances are I'm going to make some bad decisions and do some bad trades. So for me, it was a wise decision to take the entire week off. I've also had lots of other projects I needed to get completed, which are kind of weather dependent. A lot of that is actually doing some construction work in the garden, and it's been putting these off for almost months until we've got a nice bit of weather. So I really want to focus on getting that done. It's also been weighing on my mind when I'm going to get it completed. I've got all the materials to do the job, so I just want to get out there and get it completed. So again, I didn't want the distraction of being out there and knowing I might have to come in for the US Open or any other news announcement throughout the day. Just focus 100% on doing another project, and then when I come back to trading at some point, I don't know when, now I'm going to be fully refreshed and a much better trader. And also this week, unfortunate events, my wife managed to break a bone in her leg. It's a very, very silly accident, so obviously got a lot of tendon damage as well in the ankle. So a lot of the time and attention has been making sure that she's okay. And again, just all these things sort of compound to make the whole decision not to trade a much of a better one. I don't know if I'll be trading next week. I want to just sort of get into things slowly and just really focus on making sure that I'm 100% correct before getting back into the markets. Now, it's probably not a very exciting update. It's one of those things that it just happens. Life gets in the way. We don't need to be trading every single day. I'm fortunate enough that I have other income streams, other revenues. So trading for me, although it's very nice, beneficial to have that extra money coming in, if it doesn't come in, I'm not worried about it. I've managed to get my life into a certain state where it's not 100% dependent on trading. Yes, it'd be nice to have the extra money to go on holidays or buy extra things, but I'm not worried. Time will come, and I know I've set out my plan for the year, and I'm still working through that diligently, and it might be that all my results come in the last 3 months of the year. I'm happy with that. Sometimes you need to take that break, take that step back, and just evaluate what's important in life, because reality is our health, our mental well-being, and just spending time with friends and family can be more important than trading and making money. So I will assess my mental state again on Monday, see if I'm actually feeling it. If I'm not, then I won't trade. Again, I want to be in tune with the markets, make sure that they are trending in the directions I want them to be trending. The trade setups are there for me to take. And if they're not, don't worry about it. There's always another day. So thanks for watching. I know it's probably the most exciting update ever, but it's all part of being a full-time trader. We need to take the rough with the smooth, roll with the punches, and come back better and stronger. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you again very soon. Cheers.